Okay, so moving on to our next card. I chose this one to do another scene, using some of our new stamps again. Now this one is our skeleton tree, which is great for a winter scene, but then fabulous for a spring or summer if you just add foliage at the top. But I'm working on a winter scene today, so I'm just going to keep it as it is. And then I'm going to ink up in Twilight, which is a beautiful midnight blue. So I'm going to carefully ink that up like so. And then we're going to stamp down just on the edge there. Give that a good press. Okay, and then we're going to place another one down alongside. Just about there. Okay, give that a good press again. Let it rest on the card a while. Let it soak into the card. And that way you just get a really nice image. Okay, lovely. So moving on to our new stamp. This is Winifred, our new fairy, named after my nan. And this time we're going to ink her up in the Nocturne, the black. Okay, and then just line her up, and then we're going to pop her down there, and again let that rest on the paper and let that ink seep in, and you'll get a really sharp silhouette image. There we go, perfect. Okay, so taking some paper now, we're going to do what we did before. Pop that over the edge, and then moving back to the Nocturne and our smoothie, we're going to go over the edge. And then just blend that black in and blend it out towards the edge, but making the edge the darkest point. There we go. That's really quite lovely and dramatic there. Okay, so we're going to have our moon, where we're going to place that, I think, a little bit further at the top there. Again, I'm going to just take some of that ink off, and then very gently we're going to go around the edge there. Try not to move it like I just have. Work your way around. Just keep on blending. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to stamp some of our new lunar buds with the Fantasia, which is a beautiful purple. So let's just pop a few of those about. And we'll do a few here. And some there. Okay, then we're going to finish off with some words. Dance with the fairies and talk to the moon. Okay, so moving back to Twilight, I'm going to ink up. And then we're going to pop that down at the top there, like so. And then we're just going to do a little bit of wording down the edge of the card after I've taken a little bit off first, just to, we don't want it to be too overpowering, that's why I'm taking the ink off. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to bring another colour around the edge of the card now. So moving back to the Fantasia, and using a smoothie, I'm just going to bring a little bit of the purple in around the edge, just to frame it, pull the picture together. And there we go. Okay, so one of the things I love to do is just to go around the edge of the moon using our jelly roll. Just try and glide around the edge. I hope you can see that there. Just pulls it out beautifully. I'm going to add a little in her wings, just highlighting a few areas. like so, and I might put just a little bit on the edge here of the mountain. Like so. And you see how that highlights beautifully. And there we have it, another really quick and easy card to achieve using our new stamps. I hope you enjoyed it.